If you're trying to figure out how to send form responses as Slack or Discord alerts, this video will walk you through a simple, reliable method in under 3 minutes. No fluff, no wasted time. And make sure to stick around, because I'll show you how to unlock a free trial to the software I tested and now personally recommend, so you can follow along step by step with zero risk. I tried all the usual suspects: Zapier, Make, Pabbly, even native integrations. And after testing what actually works consistently for sending form responses as real-time Slack or Discord alerts, I landed on one software that does the job best. Here's what you need to do. First, sign up for the software we'll be using. There's a free trial link in the description that's exclusive to Dan Thorne's channel, so you can test this without paying a cent. Once you're in, connect the form app you're using, whether it's Typeform, Google Forms, Tally, or any of the popular ones. Most are supported with a few clicks. Choose the form you want to track and then set the trigger to New Form Response. Next, set your action. If you want to send alerts to Slack, pick Slack as the app, then choose Send Channel Message. Select your workspace and pick the channel where you want alerts to go. You can customize the message using fields from your form like name, email, or custom questions. If you prefer Discord, it's just as easy. Choose Discord as the app, select Send Webhook Message, and paste in your Discord webhook URL. You can get that from your server by creating an incoming webhook in your channel settings. Again, personalize the message with form response data. Want to get even fancier? Add filters or delays if you only want alerts when certain conditions are met, like if a response contains specific keywords or selections. It's super flexible. Finally, test the setup to make sure everything works. Submit a test response through your form and you should instantly see it pop up in Slack or Discord. If it doesn't, double check that your form is connected correctly and that your webhook or channel permissions are set. Here's the key takeaway. Sending form responses to Slack or Discord in real time doesn't have to be complicated. You just need the right tool. And once it's set up, it runs automatically in the background, saving you tons of time and making sure you never miss important info. Quick recap. 1. Sign up for the software using the exclusive free trial link below. 2. Connect your form and set the trigger to new submissions. 3. Choose Slack or Discord as your action. 4. Customize the message. 5. Test everything. Don't forget. If you want the easiest way to follow along, grab the free trial in the description. It's exclusive to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel, and it'll save you a bunch of setup headaches. Thanks for watching, and now you've got a simple, efficient way to send form responses as Slack or Discord alerts in real time.